Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a much needed declutter. Oh my gosh. My studio is like, I will show you, I've got boxes over here. I have got more boxes piling up on the other side. I've got a whole bunch of products that I need to put away. I need to organize this cabinet right here. It's just like, it's becoming a big mess. Oh my gosh, it's just driving me crazy. Hey everyone, it's voiceover Katie here. I just wanted to pop in really quick because I know obviously I haven't posted a video in a while and so many of you are like, I miss your videos and I appreciate it so much. I just had to take honestly a little bit of a break for my mental health and just to kind of recharge myself. I was working so hard on a project, creating an online course all about e-file prep and gel application so that you can perfect your structured manicures, and I launched it actually at the end of March, but I just did not have a chance to create like a YouTube video about it. I have received so much amazing feedback after a lot of you have taken this course. If you want to check it out, you can go to my website, katiedutra.com. There's all the information there, as well as this other page that has even more information, Q&A. It comes with 5 hours worth of video content, and it's all pre-recorded so that you can watch it at your own pace. And I've also broken up the videos into separate lessons and then little subsections under each lesson so that you can easily digest the course and you don't have to, watch one entire 5-hour video. Super easy to take breaks, pick up where you left off, and I just hope so many of you love it. And I've just been working so hard on that, and that is why I just needed to honestly just take a little bit of break, and I just did not have the energy to create videos the past couple months. So I wanted to thank you guys so much for all of you who are still here and sticking around, and I hope you enjoyed this little declutter video. Again, if you want to check out the online course, you can head to my website. I've been in my studio now for like, I want to say just over a year, and I haven't done any like major declutter or anything since I've been in here, so it's definitely time. Like, I have got all of these boxes piling up. I've got some new products here that I need to swatch. I've got some more boxes piling up on this side. It's just getting a little bit much. Like, my cabinet drawers are kind of getting a little bit out of control here, as we can see. So it's definitely time for a major declutter, organize, all that good stuff. I also want to film a Black Friday haul video, which is like most of this stuff right here. So I'm coming in today on my day off to do a Black Friday haul video and declutter because I cannot put this stuff away until I film that haul video. So the stuff is just like sitting here piling up and it's driving me crazy. And so I decided I need to come in on my day off to get that video filmed so that I can get everything put away and organized. If I put everything away first, then try to do a video, it's like so much harder for me to like remember everything that I got for Black Friday, pull everything back out. It's just so much easier to just like leave it in boxes, letting it sit until it's ready to be filmed. So I'm gonna film that video today. I probably need to do some cleaning. I need to water my plants. I don't know if you guys saw my first video, like when I moved into the studio or my studio tour. This plant was so much smaller, and like, look how huge it has gotten. Like, is this not insane? That's a giant leaf. So I've got another leaf coming out right there too. So I need to water this. I probably need to water my other plants. I might hop on my Instagram and do a quick live of swatching some of these colors, because I find it easier to have colors already swatched for when I do the haul video, because then I don't have to take time to swatch like in between filming that video. It's like everything's already done and I can quickly show you guys all the colors and all that stuff. So check out these though. These are like some gorgeous holographic ones. They are made, oh my gosh, come on, focus for me. These are made also by Jellyfit. It's like a different line that they make called Azelle. And I don't know if you'll be able to tell. I don't know if it will focus, but these are like holographic glitter gels, so I'm super excited about that whole collection of those. Some more Jellyfit colors, some Nail Thoughts Cocoas colors, some Nail Thoughts products that I got for Black Friday, just like a whole bunch of stuff that I need to go through like so bad. I don't know about you guys, but like when there is a ton of clutter and just like cabinets are exploding and like products are everywhere, I have the hardest time like being able to focus or being able to like feel creative in that type of like a cluttery environment. So I really have to do this because it's like starting to affect my brain. Okay, I've organized, put everything on my desk that was like Black Friday orders so that I could easily reach for it when filming. I started a box of stuff that is just empty boxes that needs to be recycled. Also started another box of stuff that I either don't use very often or I know I'm not going to use. I'm putting it away so that I can get it out of my kind of area. I can use that stuff like for giveaways, or a lot of times I just give it to like other local nail techs in the area, different things like that. So I just put it away for a different time because I know I'm not going to use it. It's cluttering up my space. It's time for it to go. So I do need to swatch all of these new Jellyfit colors. These are so pretty. This is like my new favorite red. This is color CN90. It's not going to focus, but it's number 90. And it is such a stunning, bright red. I absolutely love it. So that's my new favorite red. But I haven't used any of these other colors yet, so I need to get swatching those. I need to swatch the new Nail Thoughts colors. I got about 6 of the new Nail Thoughts colors, so I need to swatch those and the Jellyfit colors before I film because it'll just be easier for me to show you guys the colors if they're already swatched and everything. So I think I might pop on a live on Instagram to swatch these on there because why not? Look how pretty these are. A lot of these colors are really gonna be really good for like fall and winter. Okay, I just got all this swatching done. Tons of colors ready to go for the video. And it's looking, I had my lunch, it's looking a little crazy in here. So I definitely need to film this video, and it's already been, I don't know why swatching takes forever, but it's been like an hour and a half of swatching. And I still haven't done any like full decluttering yet. So I'm gonna get this done, this video, and then I can start really decluttering. Okay, video is filmed. Now I get to put all of this stuff away. And I still haven't gotten to my organization yet. And it's starting to get a little bit dark outside. It's already 4 o'clock. So let's get organizing. I've got my trash going. I've got all these empty boxes now. I really need to get rid of this stuff. Okay, I just went through some of my drawers to start going through stuff. I got a whole box full of stuff, just things that I don't reach for. If you see anything in that box, just know, don't be like, oh my gosh, she put that in the box, that means it's bad. Doesn't mean it's bad. It's just things that I'm not reaching for, and I just don't want things to clutter up my space if I'm not actually using it, and I'd rather it go to somebody who might actually use it. So just keep that in mind. Sometimes I end up with like duplicates of things and whatnot. So now we need to go through these drawers. I have a heating pad at work for my chair because I get so cold in this building. Oh my gosh. Okay, I got this box from Le Chat, so I already put the gel colors, I already swatched them and put them on my stand, but I need to like put the rest of the stuff away in the box. By the way, their new Sky Dust, it's like reflective flash glitter collection is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. I've been using it on my clients. I love it. I don't use regular polish in my studio, so these are regular polishes, and then it has the gel polishes that match. And since I don't use regular polish in my studio, I'm going to take the glitter, just the regular polishes, home because I like to use them on my toes sometime, and I'm just going to take these home, and if I ever need them I can always bring them back. But I do have a spot at home that I have regular polishes, but look how gorgeous. I think I want to put this one on my toes. Also, these polishes are not in the right boxes, by the way, but like check out this duochrome one. It's stunning. Okay, time to get down to these boxes. So I love the packaging. Why is there nail foils in there? I love the packaging of these Korean collections, but I don't need to keep the boxes anymore. But I am gonna keep these little display cards because I do want to put them on the display. I do. Those are cute. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of the boxes though. I don't know why there's like random foils in there. So recycle. Here's the box of foils. Let's put those back in there. Oh, more regular polish that was sent to me from Mini Luxe, but look how cute those polish bottles are, and a nice roller ball cuticle oil. So I'll probably take those home and I can recycle the box. Great. Some more little display cards. I'm gonna keep the display cards, but I'm getting rid of the boxes finally. Saying goodbye. This one, oh my gosh, so cute. Here's a display card. Some little swatch stars. Yeah, some stars. Throw away the box. And here's one more. Here's the display card. And empty box. I don't know why I do this to myself. Like if I would have thrown away all of these empty boxes from the beginning. Okay, that just decluttered like a ton in this area. I'm gonna put the little display cards right here, and I've just got my essential oils, some gloves, extra gloves. I've got Light Elegance products down here because sometimes I work with them, and so I want to keep all their products together if I need to film something. Great company, great products. Love Light Elegance. Some extra buffers, extra wipes. This is just like, I don't even think you can see it. This is just like my, I call it like Nail Tech survival kit. Like I got gum, dry shampoo, hair ties, ibuprofen, like whatever you might need when you're at work. looking a lot better now. You may not be able to notice that big of a difference, but I know what's behind these cabinets and I feel better about it. The boxes are gone on this side. The boxes are gone on this side. So that's super nice. I got this box to take home that has just regular polish in it that I can probably use like for my toes at home, different things like that. And I also have this giant box that has all the stuff to give away to other people. Glitters, gels, all sorts of different stuff that I just don't use, don't reach for, or I just have a ton of and I know I'm not gonna ever use all of it. So I got that giant box, and I also have a whole other section of products, again, to get rid of, declutter in this cabinet as well. So quite a few, but it's looking a lot nicer now. And I cleaned and I dusted. This building that I'm in does have cleaners. They actually come in and like sweep and mop your floors and stuff, so I don't really have to worry too much about that, which is nice. But it's looking a lot better. I'm sure I can declutter a little bit more, but this is what I was able to do today. It's like 5:30. I've been here for quite a while, and it's like dark and I'm ready to go home. So thank you for tagging along with me today. Don't forget to follow me on my social media, and I will see you guys later. So it looks super nice, and then boom, look at all this to recycle. Yes, so many boxes to recycle, which is awesome.